Paano yung ice cream?
I just got the ice cream inside the mouth. Oh, it just happened I shoot you open your mouth.
Oh, bless. Ito pala yung view ng hotel ko, guys. Sa kabila. May dagat doon. Okay naman pala dito ang view. Dapat dito yung kwarto ko eh. Ayan o, ayun. Ito. Diyan sila nakatira. Susunduin ko na sila. Dito lang ako magkatabi lang kami ng hotel. Hello mga misis! Alis na naman tayo. Gagala. Ayan. Ayan pala yung view ng hotel ko, guys. Ayan. Tapos, doon lang sila nakatira. May kulay doon. Okay, bye! Alis na ako. Susunduin ko na sila, guys. Punta ako sa kabilang hotel. Punta tayo sa kabila, guys. Malayo-layo pa yung aking lalakarin dito, guys. Ayan o, tignan niyo, pakita ko sa yan pang lakarin ko, guys. Kasi ito, ano siya, magkarugtong na hotel. Tapos, tatawid ako sa kabila. Ayoko nga sumama sa kanila, guys. Hindi ka makakatulog sa kanya. Tingnan niyo mamaya siya. Tingnan niyo siya mamaya. Salita ng salita. Diyos ko po. Hindi siya napapagod, guys. Grabe. Ayan, dito yung lobby sa kabila. Lobby ng St. Giles. Tapos, oh, init. Diyan naman sila nakatira. Susunduin ko na ngayon sila. Magbaba muna ko ng sleeves kasi ang init. Grabe, oh. Ayan, oh. Diyan sila nakatira. Diyan, hotel. Sige. Bye-bye. Maya ulit, guys. Kasi tatawid lang ako doon, oh. Yan yung bus nila, guys. Yung bagong hotel. Diyan ako galing, guys. Doon ako tumawid. Diyan ako galing, guys, na hotel. Pupunta ako doon sa kanila. Walang katapusang gala. Ito yung trabaho ko, day. Mas maraming gala kaysa trabaho. Char! Mamaya ulit, guys. Mga meses. Mamaya ulit. Nandito yung lobby nila. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan, no. Nag-aantay siya. Langya ka talaga. Di mo ako sinundo. Langya ka talaga. Dito na ako, guys. Ayaw niya akong pakainin. Nagugutom na ako. Di kasi ako makain dun. Hindi lang kami, guys. Baka manalo, char. Hello, mga misis. Start na naman ang gala, guys.
Tadi kita ambil lambatnya makan. Aku mau pergi makan.
Beli itu biskuit dulu, habis baru pergi jam dulu. Sini ada sini
Maghahanap na naman ng kakainan, guys. Tatalo na naman sa ng kakainan, guys.
decoration there. Got some.
Sige, mag-basket ka. Oh, nakabili na kami guys. Salted eggs. Tapos mga sotong. Ito ang favorite ko. Ayan. Parang masarap kainin ito. Ang mga paborito ko andyan, oh. Oh. Guys, ang dami siya. Yeah. Yan, done. Yes. I'm done. Huh? Okay, come. Let's go. Akin lahat to, guys.
Ini yang besar dah. I know I'm about to say that. Because your like sense of direction, sense of direction is good. Little while you know, you turn here, turn there, kind of the same roads. But for me, I no good, no. I sense of direction no good. So I will sure lose my way no matter I come 1,000 times.
I familiarize the place already.
You are, yeah. That's why you don't come how many times already. 没有什么，吃而已啊，干嘛的？
没有意义，就是夜市场啊。
Oh, done.
看这啊，没有啦，不要看。
不用随便去看一下。
Have only a light
换
snack.
点一下这样。
等下你就驾这辆车哈。这样。然后那天你载人家也是这辆车。不错啊。
Puro pagkain, guys.
OK。这样如果是这样啊，你的卡是多少？好像我的，好像这样你卡多少？
ลูกจริงร้านแล้วกัน
Wala. Old town. Rami, laksa, and ipo-horpan.
Chicken hor fun. Ipo chicken hor fun.
Ipo chicken horpan.
Get the central market and then I sit there waiting
Dry
for
already.
you. Then you go and walk.
Yeah.
Good ah.
And then after that we buy the sweet for this 水燕 right? Now no more they chop down already. Remember? Remember right?
Coffee crumble.
The kaya, I want the kaya only. I don't think Japan Airlines in Japan always late.
Oh, yeah lah. Jan is always late. Japan Airlines.
But someone said yeah.
Don't.
I thought she would defend her boss. Later like your jumbo last night. 你有看他昨晚那个西瓜的那么大I jumbo coffee oh no. Yeah, put on the head.
Modern cafe.
Hey, the wheelchair put on the head. Kacang putih ada, kacang putih. Cannot.
We just see the food only.
Yeah lah, we see what the food. Yeah. No lah, I tell you, I got an hunch that we sure go back to that one again.
We see first. Depan dia kan sebenarnya kan kita kan dia kan.
The words are all I have. Take your heart away.
Kena masak kosong. Ni dia.
Aba. You're singing already,
Take your heart. I know, I said I got a hunch.
Oh, I thought this one
end up
is
down there. End up down there. No lah, singing na.
Ayan o, kendodong. Wala namang bunga. Ay, ada o. Ada kichi ba? Ada kichi. De, ada kichi o. Ada. De, kichi.
Lagi, ni kecil lah.
Okay, come.
Nampak?
Okay.
Nampak
Yep.
I tell you, we always see
Northern
we
Cafe.
always see the table number. I tell you.
Pwede yung sausage lang. Oh, nice o.
Our store is
Ayan
there,
na.
not there. Now they no more already. The food very nice.
Oh.
You can eat there, huh? 现在有那个
You want to see? No more. Do you want to see? Okay.
can take photo.
Dim sum. Oh, there they got dim sum.
Some no lah, some don't have.
Naghahanap na naman siya ng... Oh, this the one ah. Oh.
Then the sea now, you can take out one and take out.
Oh, the char kway teow, fried rice, everything.
But don't know the taste. I never eat down here one. Actually, last time they got bitter gourd fried egg. Now people all come early, cook they.
Careful ah. Open area pala siya. Ano yung kakainan niya? Oh. Tabing dagat. Tabing dagat siya, guys. Laki yung lutuan nila, oh. Thank you. Order kami ng ganyan, guys, oh. Pauwi. Ay, pauwi. Pupunta pa kami sa kabila. Ayan. Ang laki ng lutuan, guys, oh. Bumili kami, guys, doon, oh. Yan.
You want ice cream?
Walang Magnum? Bahala ka dyan. Ay, ang cute naman, oh, may traffic light dyan. Got traffic light. Mana? Vanilla. They don't have Magnum, ah. Ay, durian, ma.
Ice cream. Okay.
Mr. Tan, kuha ka na nag-ice cream. Mangantay, ice cream, ante. Kuha mo ako, vanilla.
You take.
I cannot take.
Where?
Wait, ah. Wala naman natang vanilla. Wala man.
Hello? Hello?
Ano to?
This one.
Ano ba to? Ah, ito na lang.
Yeah.
Abang,
Okay.
ayan pala. Ayan pala, oh, meron.
Ha?
Hello!
Oh, kuy Google lah. Kuy Losor lah. Kuy Charo kuy mai kuy jauh.
Bili kami ng ice cream, guys.
Ah, kuy Charo kuy dito mah.
Busy si Abang.
Ah.
Paano yung ice cream?
It just happened I shoot you open your mouth.
Oh, bless.
Orang ada lagi
Restaurant.
yang baru
They got all the
tangkap
jetties
habis
here,
tu.
what?
Wah tangkap you dulu baru boleh cari wah cakap wang.
Tamarins.
Tak tangkap you
Wow.
orang tu tak kasih wang. Dia orang tangkap dia boleh kasih wang. Cimbeti sini. Cimbeti sini.
Pupunta kaming jetty, guys.
Sini
Ah,
masuk.
ni.
Ini lampu merah sini
Ini
masuk.
sini lampu merah ni. Cook down there.
Cook, huh?
Look at this.
Mga old. Wesley Methodist.
Right.
Those were right at the corner here. All lama the biggest. McDonald's.
McDonald's, I close.
Oh my god.
Yeah, not close. The shutter come down, you know.
Ah, they are
Alamak,
close.
Because of the Israeli, that one.
Protest, another protest.
Huh? Jelutong. The word is out already. Jelutong.
Diyan na to.
On the
Jelutong.
left side.
Oh, yeah, I can remember that. They're
They
so
mean a
big,
lot of
huh?
people, no?
Then Fisherman's Wharf. Yeah, the name is called Fisherman's Wharf.
No, that mean a lot of people already, no, that mean.
That means this one sure got business tonight.
that
That's why all come here lah.
Tengok we see.
That one no business, so plenty of people.
Okay.
There the fish just pass by.
Yeah, last time I took the photo of the
Macam
crab.
fish.
Remember the crab?
Tetap.
Okay.
The fisherman for the fun fair.
What's the name? Fisherman's Wharf. Okay, maglalaro kami guys. Maglalaro kami guys. Yan no? Maglalaro kami. Uh-oh. Okay, I try. Only this one? This one cannot. Oh, okay. We try the drink. Apa? Wait ah. Yan ah. Very hard ah. The head big no. Okay, give me one. I try. Okay, last one. Ay! Very hard eh. Hirap naman. Ay. Wala. Naman yung napunahan namin guys. Ayan o. Ay, this one? Jelotong? Jelotong? What's this one, the place?
A fisherman's wharf lah.
Ah, okay.
Fisherman's wharf.
Hindi. Kakahanap ng pagkain.
The word.
Daming pagkain guys. Oh,
And the sea.
that's the sea. Oh, daming tao. Oh. Banyak orang.
And the singing is there lah.
Sa tabing dagat kami ulit guys. O, tignan mo naman. Busy siya. Oo. Say. Ayan yung dinaanan namin kahapon guys. Ayan yung bridge doon. Ayan. Yung bridge doon. Yan, yung bridge dyan. Yan yung dinaanan namin kahapon. Tumawid sa kabila. 9! Ano to si Dison, no? Papadilim na guys. Ayan.
So start na ako. Early.
All 9 o'clock. Ayan, papadilim na.
Yeah, Singapore.
Singapore. Tapi nak Singapore itu. Kampung Kejubu. Kejubu.
Tumbo.
不过 TURBO
开可以吗？
可以，太美美啊！
是我不要哦。
没有看到那个。
Akit naman ako meron.
Meanwhile.
Ito guys, yung mga pinamili natin sa Penang. Nabawasan na nga yung iba guys. I-unbox natin. Ayan oh. May salted egg fish skin. Tapos ito, ano to eh, famous din to. Ayan. Tapos we have coffee. Coffee. Another salted egg. Paborito ko yan guys. Tapos another coffee, okay? Coffee, then another coffee. I buy 3 coffee. Ano para ng coffee? 1, 2, 3. Tapos dalawang fish skin. Itong masarap guys. Ay, may chocolate pa pala dito. Chocolate. Ito, magkasama to. Famous to dun sa ano. Binilahan naming banyang. Salsopia. Aray. Ayaw na magtayo. Ay. Ayan. Ito. Sa, ano to? Tien. Ayan. Tien products. Sotong. Sotong na ganyan. Naubos ko na yung isang pakete na ganito guys. Dalawang binili ko. Binili pala niya. Tapos ito rin. Sotong din to. Ito rin. Sotong din to. Magkapareho sila. Ito. Masarap to guys. Promise. Ayan yung bukas na nga yung isa. Tapos ito. Tapos ito, dalawa rin na itong binili ko. Binuksan na namin yung isa kagabi. Ayan. Ayan mga pinamili namin dun guys. Tapos, ito, binuksan na niya yung isa kagabi. Nilagay sa, tawag nito sa jar. Kasi makukunat siya. Spicy to guys. Parang ganyan din siya. Pero spicy lang to. Ayan. Ayan mga pinamili namin dun guys.